some of us. Deputy, please.
I can do that if I want to. I can shoot you if I want to.
Good job of keeping the prisoners quiet, Deputy. So, okay, you know the James brother and sister? And you know that they shot Mr. Oswald on the train, right? You know that Mr. Oswald didn't die, right? Are you even listening to me? What did I just say?
You said that. Did you know that Oswald died on the train?
That's not exactly my point. But, anyway, well, if you pay attention this time, you'll be able to be involved in something really exciting for your first time as deputy. So, what we're going to do tonight, we're going to go into that bar that Jesse James often goes to, and I'll need you, while we pretend to join his gang, I'll need you to make sure he doesn't leave the bar. Like, just do anything to keep him occupied. Like, spill your sarsaparilla on him or something like that. Just make him stay there. Got that?
Like, shoot the ceiling and have ceiling fall over?
Not that kind of stay. We don't want him to stay permanently. We just want him to stay temporarily. Because if you shoot the ceiling on him, he'll be there permanent. But just do anything, like shoot the floor or anything. Just anything to keep him quiet.
Tell him that getting wasted, there's a tornado coming?
Possibly. But I think saying a tornado coming might keep him running instead of staying in there. But you ready to do this? Okay, let's go. Well, buddy boy, how's you doing today? Hey bartender, bring us a sarsaparilla, would you?
Coming!
What happened?
Oh!
Don't slip.
You need to fix this chair, woman!
There you go. I do not know.
Somebody left it there. You can have it.
I'm Slim Hansen. Slim Jim Hansen, that's my nickname. But, that's my name, and I'm the fastest girl in the West. Hey, lady! And this is my partner, Tex.
Hello, cowboy. We are the baddest criminals in the West.
Most second fastest and second most. Give my buddy
place for all those. I'm sorry, you can't be two people.
Give my buddy a hamburger.
I think
On
that's
me.
enough.
Try this sarsaparilla.
This is the best sarsaparilla I ever had.
Okay, well,
Wanna watch it there, Tex?
well, anyway, we'd like to get in with you. Give my buddy here a hamburger, all on me.
Plenty of pickles.
Plenty of pickles. We are the biggest, baddest ones you ever.
Like I said, it's second. I hold the first position for
Oh yeah, we bought the newest, biggest bank in the West.
That was like-
holding $10 million.
Yeah, $10 million, wasn't it?
Oh, this
You-
is the wrong one.
Town cowboys exaggerate everything.
Have you ever been to Seattle? That's where we're from.
I-
Would you call Seattle a small town? Hey,
Ever been to New York City? I was born and raised there.
Your pickles? Sorry, it's like a bake your own sandwich kind of thing.
But anyway,
What the fuck? No!
anyway, good looking hamburger, isn't it? Isn't it, Tex?
Hey, stick a whiff.
This is just the worst hamburger I ever had! Here, you pickles, take it back! Now!
Well, did you hear about did you hear about
Oh!
Quiet, please, I'm trying to talk. Did you hear about Jacob the Oswald?
Yeah.
I shot him. You did not shoot Jacob Oswald. I did it.
Wait, boys. We are trying to get on with you, not trying to kill you.
Yes. So, can we join your gang? You fine.
Yes, you did it. Yes, you killed Hanzo and your
He
best.
didn't kill him. He just shot him. What? Yeah, I read
Oh,
the newspaper.
yeah, I remember.
I read the newspaper. He wasn't dead.
Excuse me.
Yes?
You mean you shot Mr. Oswald?
No, I did not.
You?
Yes, I did. Don't let it get around, Lady Boom.
My sister.
Silence, please. I'm trying to talk.
Yeah,
So,
get out of here.
can I join your
Miss
game?
Business.
Oh yeah. Thanks for this sarsaparilla.
Yes. But you'll have
So,
to do
That's fine.
Hey, dudes!
We're fine with dudes, aren't we?
clean up that mess, little woman.
What are you talking about?
We'll be glad to pay dudes.
It's only 10%.
Oh, I get it. We'll pay an invisible dude. Okay.
No invisible dudes.
Then we'll just give him an invisible check.
You're gonna have to pay for my hamburger.
I'll just give him a check.
That's a great idea.
Except I'll
Invisible
just
money.
hey.
We do want to get on the good side.
Here's your money.
Yes.
Just telegraph us at the Harley Hotel. Come on, Tex, let's go. We gotta go back to the hotel.
Just telegraph us to the next job.
Oh, I do want it.
And that sarsaparilla was disgusting. It made me want to puke.
Come on, little guy. We gotta go.
The sarsaparilla was delicious.
Oh, you're right.
It's good, lady. See ya. Now that we've got Jesse.
This is so good.
Okay, but now that we've got Jesse to admit that, will you give me that tomato?
I'll go pretty roasted.
Okay,
How is it?
delicious.
Really?
Here, prisoner, you eat the tomato. But anyway, now that we've got him to admit that he shot J.W. Oswald, then we can arrest him.
Oh. Mm-hmm.
Are you listening to me?
Mm-hmm.
What did I just say?
I forgot.
I'll say it again. Now that we have got Jesse to admit that... Never mind, I'll just skip to the end. We have to go to see his sister Jessica. That way we can tell her that Jesse's going to be arrested. She's already repented of being bad, so... Is there a spider on my hat?
No.
What?
There's a giant rat on your hat.
Okay, thank you. Just sit down, we're going to have some fun in a minute. Don't shoot up my sheriff's office. But, now when we capture Jesse, you'll get to have a lot more fun. You'll have another prisoner to guard.
Okay.
You don't sound very excited about it.
That's because you didn't let me shoot the rat. Now it's gone.
Are you that hungry?
Yes.
Fine, I'll go buy you a hamburger in just a second. But
Make it 70 hamburgers. No mustard, no pickles, just cheese and meat.
okay. But we have to go arrest Jesse, but we have to go talk
And
to...
3 of them should have mustard on it.
Okay, 3 with mustard. Why am I saying this? We need to talk about Jesse and Jessica. But remember,
Okay.
okay. So we gotta go arrest Jesse.
Okie dokie.
And remember,
Uh-huh.
don't shoot to kill when we fight Jesse.
Got it.
Hopefully we won't have to shoot at all.
Okay.
Yep. Because if we shoot him, then you won't have a fun prisoner to guard.
Sorry I hit
You
with
missed?
tape.
Yes, I understand that you missed. I know it can be a bit clumsy at times, but you're getting better. You're getting better.
Don't call
worry
me
about it.
clumsy.
Okay, fine. You can miss easy sometimes.
Don't call me a missile. Just call me clumsy then.
Okay. But, now that we're done, let's go talk to Jessica.
Okay, fine, let's go. I want to shoot him anyways.
No, you're not.
Yeah, a spider!
Really? You're that hungry?
Yeah, those 70 hamburgers
Okay,
were
well.
gross. But I mean, well,
Quiet, please.
They
I
need
need
more.
to go. Wait, you're not Mother Patricia.
No, my child.
What's your name?
I am Mother
Teresa.
Oh. Well,
Sister.
It doesn't matter.
Oh, well, that's okay. You're looking forward. Jessica.
A little more sponge.
Jessica, I came to talk to you. Your brother has confessed to me.
Good.
He's confessed to me. He didn't know I was the sheriff, but he told me that he shot JW.
He did cool.
So, we're going to go arrest him.
That was a lucky punch. He just punched.
Are you preoccupied?
Huh?
I said your brother will be arrested.
Oh, good. What?
Yes, he's going to be arrested. He wouldn't repent. Well, he didn't know I was the sheriff, but he didn't repent of shooting him anyway. But the shooting.
It's okay.
Okay, but I'm just here to tell you, Jesse will be brought to justice. It doesn't matter.
I'm just
Now-
hysterical. That was such a lucky
now-
punch. And he might get shot.
Not dead shot, but wounded
Shot
shot.
as in wounded. Might die shot.
Might. We don't want him to die. We want him to reform and see the error of his ways. Is she that sort of? Well, looks like you got some pretty nice shiners.
Now
there.
that was a lucky punch. This is a lucky punch. That's all it was.
Well, at least the guy who reformed her ways, didn't he?
Have you been drugged? No.
Okay. Well,
I'm
well,
just
either
on
way,
painkiller. That's not a
Deputy,
drug, is it?
Deputy, we need to get out on the hunt for Jesse.
Jesse?
We're gonna go find him. So.
Yep,
Nice
she's-
talking to you, Jessica.
Yep, she's been drugged. Well,
Goodbye, Sister Teresa.
wait. Come on. Where's the money?
You don't get money.
No, you're gonna have to give her a donation.
No, I gave Mother Patricia a donation. It goes to the same cause.
That's right. It's okay. You rest.
Goodbye.
I'd be so sad Jesse would ever do that. Why would he do it? And shoot that next Mr. Oswald.